Hello everyone, so I have already completed the 30-day stay indoor challenge. And today I'm going to go outside and pick up the new supplies for the next round. So this is what it looks like when you lock yourself up for 30 days. And outside, you can see it just snowed a couple of days before. But today it's finally sunny, so it's a good day to go outside again. Let me also show you what I have left. So for the vegetable soup, I have 5 or 6 of them left. For the black sesame soup, I still got like a couple. And I got some instant noodles and some bread. Just a few of them. Let me show you what else I got. Remember the cabbage? So I haven't finished it yet. It's actually a lot. And now let's check in the fridge. I still got some chicken balls and vegetables, some snacks, not too much. But luckily I got some frozen bread and frozen meat. I still got plenty of them. They're not very tasty, but the good thing is they can last longer. And for the noodles, I think I got half of the noodles left. So for the rice, I still got plenty of rice. And this is the milk tea. I didn't drink it every day, so I got a lot of milk tea left. So remember, different kind of noodles. So I'm ready to go outside now. You can see I'm still wearing mask and gloves for the protection. And here I got the cleaning thing. And here is the garbage I need to throw. So at last, I'm ready. Let's go. You can see it's a nice day. The weather is as good as I planned. I'm going to throw the garbage and claim the packages. You can see it's snowing before, and now the children have come out to play, so the sun has come out again. So I guess the pandemic is over now. Let me throw the cabbage and be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Here are the supplies that I picked up. I got a bag here and in my backpack, and I also got 2 of the deliveries. A lot of green carrots, sweet potatoes, so that's also a lot of them. A big cabbage and some oranges. I think I should get more of this. First thing, chicken and 粽子. I think that's sweet 粽子. I really don't know how to say it. Beef meatball. Some kind of meat. And tangyuan. I realized I didn't wear the mask properly, so this is actually the right way. But when you're outside, you cannot adjust. It's not safe. I'm now finally back, and I hope it's a safe journey. Let me try to fix it. Yeah. Don't try this at home. So finally I have to go out and That's a good. Don't do that. Whew, let's see how things goes. I think I'm going to continue to stay inside, and now I got more supplies. So let's hope things will go out, and finally I can be sure that it is completely safe to go outside again. Let's see. Let's hope that day will come soon.